What's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to show you guys how I make a really quick omelet egg bowl. Very simple to make, very quick to make, high in protein, low in calories. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned. Alright guys, first part, pretty self-explanatory. We're going to start with some eggs, some seasoning, just like we're doing scrambled eggs. Just to keep cholesterol and calories low, I do one egg and then complete the rest with some egg whites. And of course, always trying to get the least cage-free. I'd like to get pasture-raised eggs, but unfortunately they're extremely hard to find in my area. My seasoning of choices, I always usually go to these guys. They're super simple, make about anything taste better. And that's just a little bit of garlic, a little bit of onion, and some salt and pepper. All right, let's get started. In addition to the one egg, I'm going to add 2 1/3 cups of egg whites. Like an old chef told me, anytime you do any kind of egg mixes, always start with your sodium first. Something to do with the eggs being able to absorb the sodium the longest. Salt, a little bit of garlic, onion powder, and then plenty of pepper. Anything with eggs, guys, the whipping process is absolutely key. The longer you whip them, the better your eggs are going to come out. So, go ahead and beat the hell out of these eggs. Some people add a little bit more milk to make these more fluffy. I've never really noticed much of a difference aside from the taste. So I usually just keep mine milk free. All right. So our eggs are nice and beaten now. Now we're going to start breaking up some of the ingredients that go in our bowl. That right there consists of about 26 grams of straight protein with just eggs. So I'm going to throw in, just to add a little bit more, some of this Hormel's natural honey deli ham. It's sandwich meat. I try not to eat a lot of sandwich meat, but this is, as it states, no preservatives, no nitrates, no artificial ingredients. So I feel like it's probably a decent choice if you are going to eat some sandwich meat. So we're going to throw in 1 serving of that, some spinach mix, and then I've got some other vegetables that I have cut up and ready to go. Alright guys, we're getting ready to start cooking up the omelet bowl now. So try not to use a whole lot of butter either, but if I don't, it sticks it really bad. So what I do is I use a small chunk of butter that's going on the pan. And then just mix in a little bit of olive oil. I'm just going to add just a little bit more butter to this mix. The point is, you want to see that pan coated. I'm trying not to do this as much as I can if I got items that don't stick really bad, because of course you want to minimize the fats, minimize the calories from oil and butter, but in this case it's pretty necessary. So once I got that, give everything a nice little mix, and in we go. Now, everything evenly spread. Now we wait. All Alright everyone, we're starting to get to the final countdown here. Egg bowl is starting to look nice and thoroughly cooked. So, give it a few more mixes and we're going to load her up and eat. This has been my very first cooking tutorial on anything that I make for myself, so I apologize if I missed anything, if I was a little too quick on the steps. Feel free to comment and give me some suggestions. Haters gonna hate, so yeah, if you want to hate, throw it in the comments. But let's go ahead and get this thing rolled up and ready to eat. Alright, and there you have it guys. That is my egg omelet bowl, my quick little breakfast special. This took a lot longer to cook because I was trying to film it, get good angles and all that good stuff. Typical morning, this takes me about 10 minutes to make, if that. So again, really high in protein, low in calories, comes in about 350 I think in the calories, probably about 40 plus grams of protein in it. And it's a pretty simple meal to make, get your day started. So hope you guys enjoyed it.